Good morning, Graham Dossall, MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers in Brisbane. We're the only specialist credit repair law firm in the entire country that work exclusively on the removal of defaults, judgments, inquiries and repayment history information, that nasty little thing at the bottom that says if you're just 14 days overdue. So I thought I'd just have a quick chat today about why it is you should get your defaults removed or your credit file cleaned even if you're not going for a loan and you've got no sense of urgency now. I just wait 5 years and it'll fall off. Well, one of the biggest reasons is you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. You might have a brand new car, you might have your home loan all sorted out. You might not want to get a new car or want to get a home loan. You might think that things are cruising, you just mosey along and everything is sweet. But what if something changes? What if, I don't know, if you're a parent, what if your kids need something urgently and you don't have the ability to access finance? That what if scenario is bloody scary. What if the good car that you've got gets written off? What if it gets stolen? Yes, you might have insurance. What if something goes wrong? When you don't have the ability to access finance, when your options are so seriously limited that you can't even go and get a new mobile phone put on a plan, your life isn't yours. You don't have control of your life. You are being ruled by the man. You're a puppet. I hate to say it, but in today's society, finance, the ability to access finance or time payments is paramount to being able to utilize the services we have. And we see it so often that a client will give us a call, we'll talk about their options, and occasionally they say, oh no, I don't need to do anything now, I'll let it fall off. And 6 months later or 12 months later, they come back and they're panicked. They know they're kicking themselves because they know they should have done something, but no, had no urgency. Now something's happened and their life is in a real tiz. They are now so desperate to get their credit rating repaired to solve the problem they now have they never previously envisaged, that unfortunately they get ripped off. They get taken advantage of. They get really high interest loans, or they go to one of those shonky credit repairers that say they can do all this stuff but never actually do it and end up in court, as in the credit repairer ends up in court being charged by ASIC for millions of dollars for ripping people off. So just give it some thought. Check your credit file, go to freecreditrating.com.au, get a free copy of your credit rating. It takes normally around 10 days. See what's on there. If you don't understand it, give us a ring. Send it through to us. Send your credit file through. We'll step you through the process, no problem at all. And for free. We'll step you through for free. So you understand what's on your credit rating. And look, if there is something on there, we'll step you through the process of what it takes to remove it. Sometimes you can remove it yourself. Other times you might need to get us to help. So give that some serious consideration. Call MyCRA lawyers, call my team of lawyers, paralegals and support staff on 1300 667 218. We can tell you what your options are, tell you what the costs are, timeframes, etc., specific to you and your defaults, and then you can make an educated decision on what to do. Graham Dossall, MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers in Brisbane, the only specialist credit repair law firm in the entire country. We'll talk soon. See ya.